Hey guys, so today I am going to do some beginner workout for you guys, beginners out there. Only 8 minutes of your day, you can train all over your body, strength, tone, and burn off those excess fats. So without further ado, let's get started. In 3, 2, 1, start. We're gonna start with standing abs. Keep your core tight and exhale as you lift your knee to your chest. Do it slowly. Make sure you contract those lower abs instead of your hip flexors. "15 seconds rest." Next, we're gonna open our leg and do the same thing, but more diagonally. Prepare to switch and switch. Next, we're gonna open our legs wide, toes facing forward, sideways, and crunch. Touching your calf as deep as you can, as deep as you need to. Alright, next, lunge. Step to the back and alternating left and right. You can also use dumbbells if you want, but no weights is also fine and great. Next, widen your leg and pulses. If this is too hard for you, it is okay. Just do this regular sumo squat. If you get tired in the middle, you can also switch. Make this workout your own. Next, do some squat, open, close. To the other side, open, close. Make sure you exhale every time you go up.
The sky when I'm down, 'cause when I'm with you I'm fine. When you go I'm sad. I like my life with you, oh, 'cause you're my one love. And I'm not saying lies, you're the one in my heart, my heart. You make me feel alive, I feel crazy when you make me smile, smile. I feel like I can fly, fly. One love. And I'm not saying.
Next, some calf raises, along with opening your elbows like this. This is a total body workout, you guys, without planks or sit-ups. Let's go. Next, we're gonna train our arms and abs at the same time. Left, right, left, right. Make sure your core stays in the middle. Do not swing, but keep it tight here. Power on your arms, steel on your abs. Alright guys, next we're gonna do squat. And what is this? Shoulder press with some Arnold twist. If you are a beginner, just do this. Down, up, down, up. If you want more challenges on your legs, stay here. Again, if you are feeling too difficult, just use down and up motion. Wow, good job you guys. That was our total body with no sit-up and no planks movement. So if you have 8 minutes to do social media, Facebook, Instagram, whatever, you also have 8 minutes to do this workout. See you on my next video.